This video covers what's new in IRSA for the January 2024 AAS. Covers everything that's happened since January 2023. From the main IRSA page, if you go to past news, you'll see all of the past news. So let's go back all the way to January 2023. There's been many ZTF data releases. So the first one was in January. We had an IRSA viewer update in January. I've got a separate movie that talks just about the IRSA viewer updates. We had data releases for EHOPS, Deep Drill, and Forecast Cycle 0 in February. In March, there was the Roman DC2 simulated images and another ZTF data release. And then also in March, there was the annual NeoWise data release. In April, there was a Cosmos data release. In April, we also officially released data from the TechSeas instrument as part of the IRTF archive. In May, there was another ZTF data release, and in May, there also was another release of IRSA Viewer, which is also part of the separate video. In May, we officially released the Data Collection Explorer. That's a brand new way to access IRSA data. It will eventually replace our legacy Atlas tool. Since May, we've included more data that are available through DCE. In June, the SphereX Splices catalog became available. In July, there was another ZTF data release. In August, we officially took control of all of the SOFIA website documentation. In August, there was also another update to IRSA Viewer. In September, there was the Harris data release and another ZTF data release. In September, we were finally able to release an updated version of the Spitzer Heritage Archive, which uses the very latest version of Firefly. In October, we released an update to the DCE tool, which includes lots of additional data. In October, we also released another data release from EHOPS, as well as the Spitzer Spicy catalog. In November, we released the IRSA user survey, which as of this recording is still available, so please fill it out if you have a few moments. And then in December, we released a whole bunch of data available on the Amazon Web Services S3 buckets. Please come and stop by the IPAC booth where IRSA will have a presence at the AAS in January.